This
Go
is
by Tony?
this is Anthony with AA Sewer Inspection, and we're here at 1422 Southeast Mall. And we're here in the basement going in through a cast iron cleanout, and it looks like the neck of the cleanout has been broken, and the cap might not be secure there, and so it's possibly venting. Okay, so here we are at the hub. We've got significant root intrusion right outside under the front porch. I may have a hard time locating this because the front porch is covered. And we've got a little friend here.
Yes,
13 feet more root intrusion, and it's quite possible I'll be able to locate this and mark this, and we'll do that on our way back. So you got roots coming in at all the fittings here. So it's an old clay line. There's a pretty big root ball right there. Yeah. So.
Is that probably out to the sidewalk?
Well, that's what I'll find out. As soon as I'm just going to get to the city connection if I can, and I'll mark that. And then I'll mark a couple of spots in between here and the base of the steps of the front porch. But the actual under the front porch is going to be difficult because it's pretty enclosed. But it's an old clay line that's in very poor condition.
Is that line that came in when you first started possibly a party line?
No, it could be downspouts. It's impossible to tell if they combined the storm in there.
And those,
What we can do is if there's a storm gutter over there where Mr. Rat went, we can take some water and pour it down along the side and see if the water comes out at that little junction right there. Because this is right underneath the porch. So, and there's an offset fitting right there.
Does it look like it's getting better?
Well, it's my recommended my recommendation would be to replace the entire line. And that is from the hub here out to the street, and then they'll replace it with this newer ABS plastic, because it's got roots coming in at almost all the fittings between here and...
Have any
Okay.
idea, like, what kind of money we're
Well, it's
talking?
something we definitely ask the seller to deal with,
Yeah.
because usually on failed
Yeah.
things, I mean, doesn't mean they're gonna do it,
Okay.
but when you talk about sewer,
Here we are at the city
Water.
connection at 52 feet, and we'll stop our video here. I'm going to recommend repair, replacement of the line. So I'll locate this spot, and I'll locate several areas with green paint between here and the front porch. And of course, once again, root intrusion, 52 feet to the city connection, suggested repair.